Good afternoon, profitable traders. Welcome to the New York market follow session. This is just going to be a recap of everything that was analyzed during the new London market follow session, right? So on the weekly time frame, we actually established the fact that we wanted to see price retreat right back into the left shoulder residing right here. And down to the daily time frame, we saw that structure is to the upside, right? And down to the 4-hour time frame, we actually saw that minor structure is to the downside right here. So after doing that, we were looking out for sell opportunities on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what we analyzed and what happened. So we actually said that we wanted to see price retreat right back here into this left shoulder. Once price gets there, we're interested in selling down to Euro USD. Let's see. On the weekly time frame, we actually were speculating to sell all the way to the left shoulder at 1.06763 and down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, structure is to the downside, and price has already retraced right back into this IOFED right here. And you're seeing a bit of a reaction of that point. Down to the 4-hour time frame, right? You've seen a break of the high right here, the high at 1.1. The high right here at 1.15756. Right. So establishing that we are looking out for short-term sales on Euro USD, we actually said that we're looking out for price to retrace right back into this left shoulder. Shoulder sweep break. Price was meant to, react off this level, but then we saw something like a box pattern failure, and we're just seeing price do its thing. Let's see if we can spot another entry for the buy of Euro USD. There's one right here, shoulder at 1.15682, sweep to the downside, break to the upside. We want to buy Euro USD once price retraces right back into this left shoulder. Once that happens, I'm looking to long Euro USD. Last on our list, being GBP USD, weekly time frame. Everything is still in order, right? Shoulder right here at 1.25021. Sweep to the downside, break to the upside. We want to sell right back into this left shoulder. Once that happens, we're willing to buy. Down to the daily time frame, structure is tending more to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame, we saw a clear of this liquidity right here at 1.31512. We saw a clear of that liquidity, a sweep of that liquidity, whatever it's called. And on the 1-hour time frame, we saw that minor structures to the upside, and then price failed to take out this high at 1.31812. Instead, it's just been stalling, but I'm still of the opinion that we may see a sweep of the liquidity residing above, right? And on the 15 minutes time frame, we were actually looking out to also buy GBP USD, shoulder, right? Sweep. We're looking out for the break to the upside. Let's head to the 5 minutes time frame to see if we can spot that. Right, shoulder, sweep, break. Price was meant to react off this left shoulder on the 5 minutes time frame. Right, but then we saw it even trade way below before reacting to the upside. So I'm looking out to buy GBP USD, to buy Euro USD, and to buy DXY. Everything is still as we analyzed during the London market conversation. Please, if you have questions at this point, feel free to ask your questions. Do well to ask your questions. Registration for the FX Bootcamp training is currently ongoing. You can send us a message on 081 6099 5030 to reserve your slot. And it's going to be the last training for year 2025, taking place in December, second week of December. Again, to reserve your slots, send us a message on 081 6099 5030. If there are no more questions, we'll be going on a break. And right after that, we will be coming back for the second segment of today's market color session with CG. Oh, I meant to say sell there, so I thank you, Pips Don't Lie, for that. We're going on a very brief break. I'll be back shortly.
Good afternoon and welcome back to the market color. Quickly, let's just look at a few things and we'll be done with the sessions for today. Starting off with gold against the dollar. For gold, we said we're looking to see gold buy into this level before we start looking out for clear sales. Right now, gold has been very indecisive. Today, you can see that it has been stalling. It made a move to the upside, but then that attempt was foiled with a sell trend to the downside of the lower time frame. So if you're looking at the 1 hour time frame right now, you see that it is struggling, same way the 15 minutes time frame has been struggling within this range. So in this kind of markets, I would rather stay out and wait for a clear breakout before I re-enter the market again. So at this, I'm waiting out on gold and I'll be sitting on my hands during the most part of today's session on gold. So for gold, I would have expected to see trade all the way to the upside here. but it didn't give a good entry for the buy. So I just stayed out to watch what was going to happen during the remaining part of the day. But overall, I'm expecting to see a buy on gold. I think in the morning we mentioned that we wanted to see gold trade to the downside before finally going back up. And then we did something very close to that, came all the way here, and then moved to the upside. So this would have even given us a good buy setup on gold. But overall, I'm expecting more buys on gold. So for gold, all I'm looking out for is a buy. Okay. And then until price trades into this level here, which is the daily time frame fair value gap around that region, I would not be interested in taking a sell for now. So my bias on gold remains the same, it's still a buy. Then for the yen basket, you said we were looking for sales and further sales on the yen basket. We established in the morning that the yen basket is a clear sell and nothing changed from that. Then on GBP JPY and Euro JPY, you said we're looking out for buy setups, and for GBP JPY, the buy, looking at what price is doing currently, the buy may just have triggered right now because we said, let me just put this, okay, here we have it back. All right, so for GBP JPY, we said we wanted to see, after price made this move to the upside, we said we wanted to see GBP JPY return to this level here before we take a buy. Right now, you can see how price has returned there. So I'm currently looking for a buy on GBP JPY. Once I see a clear buy setup, I'll be executing the buy on GBP JPY, buying it all the way to the upside. Same thing goes for Euro JPY, but Euro JPY did not retrace all the way to the level that we wanted. This is one of the levels here, and then this is the second. The Euro JPY didn't get into any of these levels, so I'm more interested in the GBP JPY buy than that of the Euro JPY. So for me overall, I'm expecting a GBP JPY buy. Right now, I just want to see a few confirmation in terms of a proper engulfing candle, and or possibly a morning star pattern to print out on 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame of Euro or GBP JPY. Then I'll be taking my buy. Then for gold, which is where we started off today, I would want to see a return to any of these levels right here, seeing that price looks to be creating liquidity around here. I'll maybe wait out to see if anything is going to happen around that same region, after which I'll take the buy. But overall on gold, I'm looking to buy gold all the way to 158, 158. From a 158, I'll start looking for a sell. So these are the things I'm looking out for. No clear trade showed up, so I'm just waiting and watching. Once it shows up, I'll be taking my trades to the direction that we've analyzed so far. Okay, so this is what we thought to bring up to you during this market color recap session. Okay, so sit tight, and then hopefully gold gives us another entry, because clearly missed out on the first one when price came back to this level here. So we just wait it out. Now is this level here. We missed that out. We just wait for gold again to see if it's going to come back down. And then I'm looking at it in this light, something like this. Okay, so if price properly moves from here, because looking at it right now, I'm seeing that it has cleared this low. Okay, so looking at it that it has cleared this low, I'll be looking for a buy right now on gold. So I want to see a buy setup right now on gold, seeing what has happened there. I'll be looking to buy gold from here. So I'll look for something like this. So I want to see what is going to happen between this frame. Okay, I don't know what is strong. Okay, I think trading is just lagging a little. Okay, so overall, let me just show you where I'm looking. So I'm looking to see if a possible morning star would form here on gold after price has swept here. Since we missed it, Let's just wait to see what price is going to do here. But I'm very optimistic for a good buy from this region. I want to see if it's looking right. Then we're going to buy gold from here, maybe all the way up here. Okay, so I'm looking for a gold buy as it stands now. And then I'm also looking for a GBP/JPY buy. So you get the point now. So I'm looking at this box pattern. For those who are very conversant with the box pattern, I'm looking at this box pattern, seeing that price has swept this liquidity right here. I'm now very interested in a gold buy, and I'm looking to buy it all the way up here. Okay, so gold buy it is from my own end. And then for GBP/JPY, it's also a buy. Looking for an entry signature to just print out now, and then we'll take the buy to the upside. Okay, so these are the things that I'm looking out for. I'll have to head back to my chart so that we can take advantage of this together. We're going to be meeting again tomorrow morning for the London session market call-off for tomorrow being Thursday. Until then, please make sure you trade cautiously. Wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless. See you tomorrow.